What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play The Only Time I Feel Alive by XXXTentacion and Craig Zinn. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, so this song is in standard tuning, and at the end of the song, it starts to play some guitar chords that just repeat throughout the entire ending of the song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It has all the major chord diagrams in there, as well as a bunch of other really useful information for you guys. So if you need that, jump into the video description once you get done. It's there for you. The first chord you need here is going to be E minor. It's 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Middle finger, second fret A string, ring finger, second fret D string. Then you're going to go C major, which is 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Ring finger, third fret A string, middle finger, second fret D string, index finger, first fret B string. Then you go back to E minor, back to C, and then you go to a B minor, which is 0, nothing on the low E, 4, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, where you're barring the entire second fret, starting on the A string with your index finger, ring finger, 4th fret D string, pinky finger, 4th fret G string, middle finger, 3rd fret B string. Now they're just single strumming through these chords at the very end of the song there, but I'll show you the rhythm that they're strumming them. You're going to do counts of 4. You're going to start on 1 with the E minor. 1, 2, then go to C on 3, 4, back to E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that starts all over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.